Hi, I'm Ben McSheffrey, and I'm the Technical Training Manager here with Symmons Industries. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to troubleshoot the solenoid valve, part of the Origin's S6960B sensor faucet. The Origin's S6960B is part of Symmons' new sensor faucet line. It's easy to install and easy to troubleshoot, particularly the solenoid. Let's take a closer look. First, unplug the battery box from the faucet by pulling apart the waterproof connectors. Set the battery box aside. Next, we will disconnect the solenoid housing from the faucet by unplugging the waterproof connectors, and then disconnect the water supply line from the housing by unthreading it in a counterclockwise direction. If the nut is too tight, use an adjustable wrench to loosen it. Finally, unthread the solenoid housing from the water supply or ferrule connection. As you do this, note there is an arrow on the solenoid housing that indicates the direction in which the water flows. We will rely on this indicator when reassembling the unit. Also, the grid strainer may come out as you open this connection. This strainer should be thoroughly examined and cleaned to remove any debris or buildup. Set the grid strainer aside, and if the optional ferrule connection is used, set that aside as well. Now, open the solenoid housing by rotating the solenoid counterclockwise to loosen it from the housing. If the housing is too tight, there are flats on either side where an adjustable wrench can be used to help loosen it. Check the housing for debris or buildup and clean up anything you see to ensure the solenoid continues to function properly. The last part to check is under the solenoid diaphragm. You can gently pry the diaphragm off the solenoid with your fingers. This is a potential area for debris and buildup. Ensure all parts are clean, then reassemble the solenoid. First, put the diaphragm back on the solenoid. Now place the solenoid back into the housing and thread in a clockwise direction. Find the arrow on the solenoid housing. Place the grid strainer in the side facing opposite of the arrow, then thread the ferrule connection back on to secure the grid strainer. Next, thread the water supply line from the faucet to the side of the housing where the arrow faces. Next, reattach the red and black solenoid wires from the faucet to the solenoid housing by pushing the waterproof connectors together. As a reminder, these only fit together in one direction, so ensure they are aligned before reassembling. Then reattach the battery box by matching the black and white wires from the faucet to the box. Gently push the waterproof connectors together, ensuring they are facing the correct direction. Your S6960B Origin sensor faucet is now ready to use again. If you have any questions related to the maintenance of this or any Symmons product, do not hesitate to call our technical support team at 1-800-SYMMONS. On behalf of the entire team at Symmons, thanks and have a great day.